Hello everyone, and welcome back to the streaming media channel. It's Gohar here, and I'm genuinely thrilled to have you tuning in again. If it's your first time, then hey, this channel is where we talk all things digital video, ad tech, and how to actually build a smart monetization strategy in this fast moving world. Today's topic is a super practical one, especially for any of you running or planning to launch DAI. That's Dynamic Ad Insertion. We're going deep into a big question. Should you build your own internal DAI system or just use cloud based services from players like Google, Amazon, or Freewheel? One gives you full control, the other helps you launch fast without much setup. But which one's right for you? I'm not giving you a generic checklist comparison. I'm going to share lessons from real world projects, the wins, the headaches, the surprises, so you can make the right call based on your own stage and resources. Let's go. All right, before we go deeper into the weeds, let's make sure we're on the same page with what these two models even mean. Cloud based DAI means you're using a third party platform that's ready to go. Google Ad Manager, Freewheel, Amazon Publisher Services, those types. You integrate their SDK, pass metadata, and boom, they'll handle ad selection, stitching, and delivery for you. It's plug and play. On the other hand, self hosted DAI means you build the system yourself. From the logic engine to stitching, delivery, tracking, it's all in house. You might use open source tools or build from scratch. The benefit? Total control. The trade off? More time, more tech work, and higher upfront costs. It's like the difference between renting a fully furnished apartment versus building your own house from the ground up. Both have pros and cons, and what works depends entirely on your long term goals and what you can handle right now. Let's talk money, because that's often where decisions start. Cloud DAI is affordable upfront. No infrastructure costs, no big team needed. You usually pay based on impressions or revenue share. Great for startups or when you're just testing. But over time, if your traffic scales, those recurring costs pile up. You might end up paying hundreds of thousands per year. Now, with self hosted, you'll feel the pain early. Servers, dev team, QA, storage. It's not cheap. We've seen teams spend 10 to 20 times more in year one compared to cloud. But once it's built and stabilized, the marginal cost of scaling is much lower. So, if you're in it for the long game and you've got the traffic, self hosted pays off. Think of it like this: cloud is renting, predictable monthly bills. Self hosted is buying, expensive at first, but you own the asset. Next up, speed. Cloud wins hands down. We've had partners go live in less than 2 weeks using Freewheel's SDK. Everything's documented, supported, and pre tested. Great for time sensitive campaigns like Black Friday or a big sports event. On the flip side, self hosted is not a sprint. One of our fast channel projects took 8 weeks just to fine tune stitching for mid roll ads, and we still had buffering issues on weak networks. If you're building your system from scratch, you better have strong backend skills and a lot of patience. So ask yourself, do you need to be fast to market, or are you optimizing for full stack control? This is where self hosted shines. If data is gold, then owning your pipeline is like owning the mine. With self hosted, you have full access to user behavior, session IDs, conversion tracking, all of it. You can run your own analytics, run experiments, even segment ad delivery by heat map behavior or device types. Cloud platforms limit that. You usually get access to aggregate reports, not raw data. Want to A B test two formats? You'll need to go through their interface, maybe even file a ticket. For companies in regulated industries or those that rely on deep user personalization, self hosted is not a luxury, it's a requirement. Customization. This one's a double edged sword. With Cloud DAI, you work within someone else's rules. You get templates, you follow their flow, you're limited by their roadmap. But it's smooth and consistent. With self-hosted, the sandbox is yours. Want to show ads based on live weather, sync a CTA with a music beat, or create gamified ad layers? All possible. You build it, you own it, but you also support it. Now, for scalability, this is where cloud takes the lead again. CDNs, global delivery, auto scaling, all handled. Self hosted, it can scale, but only if your architecture is solid. One traffic spike and it all goes down unless you've planned carefully. Alright, let's break this down by team type so you can see where you fit. 1. You're a startup or MVP team. Go cloud. It's cheap, fast, and lets you focus on content. 2. You're an OTT platform with decent traffic and an internal tech team. Consider hybrid. Handle mid-roll in-house, but use cloud for pre-roll. 3. You're a broadcaster or a major media company. Go self-hosted or hybrid. You need flexibility, brand-safe environments, and long-term data control. Also, if you're not ready to build from scratch, try a hybrid stack. Pre-roll with Google Ad Manager, mid-roll with open source SSAI, and CTA handled internally. That way, you get the best of both worlds without overcommitting from day one. So, is cloud or self-hosted the right choice? Not really. It's about what fits your business maturity, your dev strength, and your monetization strategy. Don't copy what Netflix or Hulu is doing. Build what works for your scale. If you are expecting 1 million ad plays next month, ask yourself honestly, can your current setup handle it? And if you're planning to go the self-hosted route, stay tuned. In our next video, I'll walk you through the tech stack we recommend, what open source tools to explore, and how to QA your stitching without burning tons of resources. Until then, hit subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comments, and share this with your dev or marketing team. I'm Gohar. See you in the next one.